We are live, guys. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour of an amazing apartment in Waterloo. Now this apartment is big. Like, I like the size. For a new build, it's big, and this apartment is very close to a golf course. It's close to recreational activities like a soccer field, like a park. It's so close, like a lot of things. And today I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour of 247 Great Silo Road in Waterloo, and this is a 2-bedroom 2-bathroom apartment. It's about 1,140 square feet. It has a condo fee of approximately $529, and it's on the market for $699,900. Let me take you guys around this apartment real quick. Let's go. So welcome to the apartment, and behind me is the door that you would use to get into the apartment, and to my right is the laundry and utility space. It's a big space. You also have like enough space for like storage should in case you need that. And then to the left of the door is the closet space where you put your jacket, where your visitors come in and put your shoes. So you have that space. That space is actually very huge, so you're good. Now once you're coming in directly from the door, you're going to see the living room. Now right now the living room is quite empty, so they removed the staging that they had in the house, but you're welcome to this huge living room that has this open floor concept plan to the kitchen as well. Before we go into the kitchen, let me just speak a little bit about the living room, and then I'll take you into the kitchen. Now, my favorite thing about this living room is the space. I like the hardwood floors. I like the pot lights in the living room. And then for an apartment, which is also a new build, you have a lot of space in the living room, which you don't really see in this newer apartment. So having a huge space in the apartment is amazing. Another thing is there is an access to the balcony from the living room, and the balcony is huge. This is the biggest balcony I've ever seen for an apartment. Hands down, I'm dead serious. I'm going to take you guys around the balcony, and you guys are going to see what I'm talking about. Now let's go into the kitchen, which this is my own favorite place of this house. This kitchen is beautiful. It has a lot of storage space. You know what? I'm going to talk about that when we get into the kitchen. So let me take you guys to the kitchen right now. Let's just go. So as I've said, the kitchen is my favorite part of this house. I like the whites and the hardwood floors, like how they go hand in hand. Like, I really do like that. Another thing about the kitchen that I like is the amount of storage space you have. You have a lot of storage space. The appliances, you have the fridge, dishwasher, the gas cooker, they're all top-notch appliances by KitchenAid, which is amazing. The only thing that is not by KitchenAid here is the microwave, which I think you can also change that if you decide to get this apartment. Now I also love the on the cabinet LED lighting. It gives the kitchen more vibe to more tone, more lighting. I really do like that about the kitchen. I'm going to be taking you guys into the main bathroom and the 1-bedroom. Now, as I've said, there are 2 bedrooms here, and then there are 2 bathrooms. The master bedroom has its own in-suite bathroom. So let's go to the ones the visitors will use and the one for the extra bedroom out here. So from the living room, you have access to the other bedroom, and you have access to the bathroom that other bedroom shares. And this bathroom is also for your visitors as well. There isn't really much to see in the bathroom, but I like the tiling. I like the artwork in the bathroom. I like how simple and minimalistic it looks. Now to the right from the living room, you get to the bedroom. Now this is the 2nd bedroom in the apartment. This bedroom is a good sized bedroom, and one thing I really like about this apartment is the fact that there isn't any form of carpet in this apartment. Like, everything is just hardwood. Like, there is no carpet whatsoever, and that's very good. Now let's come into the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom is, I would say, it's my second favorite part of the apartment. It is big. Right now there is a queen size bed in the master bedroom, but this master bedroom can also take a king size bed, And then for the master bedroom, you're going to walk directly into the ensuite bathroom here. Now the bathroom is also amazing. You have these glass doors with like a standing shower. There's just enough space for you and your spouse. Like no one's going to definitely come and disturb you guys. Like you don't even have to share bathroom with like the visitors. That's the good thing about this apartment. It has 2 full bathrooms. Now let me take you guys into the balcony, but before that, let me know what you guys think about the apartment in general so far. I would like to see your comments in the comment section. Now let me take you guys to the balcony. Let's go. So for this balcony, you have a ton of space. Like this is the biggest balcony I've ever seen in an apartment. You have tons of space for your kids to play around. You have like, you're also close to the road a little bit, so you can even like sit out in your balcony and just look at the view from, you know, just look out, just be looking. That's all you need here. But the space is enough. The space is, it's not cramped, it's not tight, it's not small, it's big. You have one actual balcony first, then like an actual space. You can even put like a grill. And I think the reason why you have this much space for a balcony is because this is kind of like on the main floor, so you have that massive space. Anyways guys, that's everything about this apartment. Let me know what you guys think about this apartment in the comment section. I will be keeping an eye out for your comments just so I can know how to like reply to them. Anyways, let me know what type of housing you guys want to see in the coming videos, and I'll be glad to give you guys a tour. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video, and in the meantime, stay blessed guys.